Well, happy Sunday, everyone, as you get ready to head out for some of those Sunday school services or maybe get into some of those lines to do a little shopping. Looking pretty good out there. Some sunshine. Now, you do notice we've had a couple of high clouds building in. That's with a weak cold front that's going to be moving across the area today. Temperatures right now, fairly cold still. In fact, frosty as well in many spots. 24 degrees at the airport, but we're beginning to see things warming up a little bit. You can see on the satellite and radar picture, no rainfall or snowfall to really worry about, but you do see we are tracking this weak cold front to our north and west. And notice ahead of that cold front here, we've got some scattered high clouds building in. That's what's going to be moving through the sky this morning and throughout the early afternoon. Again, it's not going to completely block the sunshine, so we'll call it hazy sunshine for you as we go throughout today. High temperatures, very similar to our Saturday. If you enjoyed that, I know a lot of people were telling me they did. We're looking at highs climbing into the upper 40s to lower 50s once again today. Now, maybe a degree or two cooler than yesterday just because we're going to have some of those clouds and the winds are going to be switching out of the north and west later today. But still, a very nice, mild afternoon headed our way. Now, tonight, we'll clear those skies on out, and that'll be perfect timing because guess what? We've been talking about this for the past couple of days, but you know it. Comet 46P will be making its closest pass to Earth. And I'll tell you what, it's only going to be about 7.1 million miles away. So, yeah, very close, believe it or not, in comet terms. Now, this will be the 10th closest comet to pass across or near Earth since 1950. So you got to go back a long ways to remember that. And you should be able to see this with the visible eye. So if you get especially away from the city lights, go outside, look up towards the eastern sky, try to find Orion's belt. And just to the west of that, that's where you're going to see this kind of bright green kind of whitish blob. And that's going to be the comet making its way on through there. So good viewing conditions expected for that. I know Austin will be out there later. He's excited about this thing. He showed me he had a little blanket and everything. He's going to be out there watching it. So check that out. Now, as we go into your Monday, as that front moves on across the area, we're going to get a little cooler air moving in. It's not going to be a major cool down, but highs will drop back down into the upper 30s to lower 40s across the area with sunshine heading into your Monday. But Tuesday, we get back into the mid-40s. Now, our next weather maker, you can see the clouds already on the increase by Wednesday morning. And throughout the day Wednesday, our chances of rain will begin to increase as we get some moisture moving in ahead of this area of low pressure. Wednesday night and Thursday, we're going to try to pull down a little colder air. So, yeah, this could mix with or even change over to a little wet snow as you go into your Thursday. Now, right now, the brunt of the accumulations look to be mainly just to the east of the area, but if we can hang on to some moisture on your Thursday, we might get a little slushy accumulation from this. So we're going to be watching how this system develops in the later computer models and the data that continues to come in over the next couple of days. So stay tuned for more on that. It does look to turn colder by Friday and the next weekend as well. And of course, we're only 8 days away from officially saying Merry Christmas to our friends and family. Now, as we go from this weekend and into next week, we're going to have those above normal temperatures, but I am seeing signs in some of the latest data rolling into the Weather Center of a northwesterly flow moving in by the end of this week and heading into next weekend, and that could provide us with both below normal temperatures, and that would be around December the 23rd or so. What's interesting at that time, I'm also seeing a pattern in some of the long-range data that would indicate that we may see a little bit of a northwesterly flow in the weather pattern, and that could lead to the potential of a couple of those fast-moving clipper systems moving by. Very similar to last year, if you remember, and it could be just enough to dump a little snowfall across the area. Now, I only have the low chance of a white Christmas at 20%, but we'll watch that for you because all it takes is 1 inch of snow to officially be a white Christmas. Is it possible? Well, there's a chance, a 20% chance for now. We'll see how that plays out. Upper 40s for you on your Sunday. Again, that front moves through with not much fanfare, and then it's a little cooler Monday, and then we warm it back up by the middle of the work week with our next weather maker. Rain potentially changing to snow Thursday, and look at Friday, the first official day of winter.